These companies are hiring right now, and guess what? You can apply from anywhere in the world. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you multiple remote roles from different companies that are currently hiring. And trust me, you would want to stay for this one. You will want to stick with me till the end because I've got some really, really good ones that I'm sure you would like to apply to. So just stick with me. Hi, my name is Mariam, and every week I share remote job openings, work from home tips, and tools that could help you land your dream remote job. So if you're new here, do not forget to hit the subscribe button so you do not miss next week's opportunity. All right, let's move over to my screen to check out the first job opening. Okay, so the first one I'm going to be sharing with you guys is this job from this company, Achieve. They hire they give 100% remote job openings, so you can see jobs outside the US. They hire from all over the world. VP of marketing. I'm going to be sharing the link to this job, to this this job site in the description. You can just check it out. You can see the date it was posted. Still very recent. Project manager, virtual assistant marketing. You can see that it is remote outside of United States. Virtual assistant law remote. B2B sales rep, social and content manager, and so many others like that. So you can just have to scroll down and see the job openings for those outside of the United States. Yeah. And then those based in what's it called, the United States. Look at, you can check this out to see more job openings, right? So this company Fireflies.ai is hiring for several roles in design, engineering, marketing, and product and sales. Yeah, so you can see here, product designer, senior backend engineer, influencer, and social media manager, product marketing manager, and they are all remote roles, right? So if you're interested in any of these roles and it applies to you, you can go ahead and apply to these roles. I'm going to be dropping the link to this job in the description. And also, if you need to get an ATS-friendly CV template that can help you apply better, check the link in the description to get yours. So these are job openings from Wellfound. Wellfound is known to host lot of tech jobs. So yeah, if you're into tech, you can actually check this website out to get very legit jobs. Most startups come here to post their jobs, and not just tech jobs. As you can see, a customer success manager. You can apply for this job if you're a customer success person and it is remote, and this is the salary they are offering per year. Product manager, senior product manager. And you can see that these are very recent jobs, so you can go ahead and apply to them. Mind you, I'll be dropping the link to these jobs in the description. Just go ahead and check. And if you know anyone that might be interested in these job openings, just send it to them. You might be helping somebody. So this is another job from Wellfound. This is from this company named Very Swap. You can see that they're actively hiring, and it is a startup. They have just 11 to 50 employees. These are the kind of companies that you would want to apply to because there's a higher chance of them responding to you, right? And they are hiring for a product manager, remote only, everywhere. You can see they stated it there, so you can easily apply to this job, and it's be and you most likely get a feedback because this is a startup, right? So if I were you, I would actually go to this website to search for jobs because it's mostly for startup, and you can easily get feedback from companies that are just starting out. And do not forget, if your CV is not ATS friendly, you can go ahead and check the link in the description to get an ATS friendly CV template for yourself. So the next one is also from Wellfound, and this is a marketing manager role. You can see 1 year of experience, so you do not even need, this is an entry level job, remote from everywhere, you understand? So you can apply to this job. I'm going to be putting the link in the description. So let's move on to the next one. So the next one is senior marketing manager from a company named Isla. Content and communications. This is a remote role, so you can check it out if you are into marketing, or someone that is into marketing. You can just share it to them. So you just scroll down and read what you are required to do, and then you click on apply to apply for the job. So this is a customer support specialist remote role. You can see they are offering $20, so you just scroll down to see to, fill in the questions and, apply if it applies to you. The next one is senior accounts manager, a full-time remote role. So just scroll down and see. Yeah, you just click on apply it to apply to this one. The next one is going to be customer support representative. This is a remote role from community phone. So you just scroll down to see. These are the requirements, right? It's written here, we're hiring globally, and this is their pay. So if this payment is okay with you, you can, and this is the time zone, you can read it and then apply to that as well. The next one is going to be this one, executive assistant music and touring. This is a full-time remote role. This is how much they are offering. So if you are an executive assistant, you can apply to this role. Just scroll down to see what they require of you. The next one is going to be, remember, if you need an ATS-friendly CV template, just check the link in the description to get yours. So the next one is TikTok shop manager, LATAM, remote role. So just scroll down and see what it is all about. So you manage promotions, alignment with the TikTok shop promotion calendar and all of those things. This is 100% remote, work from anywhere. You can see it is written clearly there. So you can apply to this as well if you're a TikTok manager. The next one is going to be become an online English teacher today. So if you are good with English language, you can teach people how to speak good English language. You can apply to this, very easy. Let's move to the next one real quick. The next one is executive assistant role, US-based blockchain company. So these are the countries that if you're from any of these countries, you can apply to this role, right? It is fully remote, right? So you can just, scroll down to see the requirements and then you can apply to it. The next one is a community manager role. If you are a community manager, you can apply to this role. This is the time zone. This is the pay they are offering. So just scroll down to read what this is all about and then you can click on apply. The link to the job is going to be in the description. So just go there and check. Okay, moving forward. This is Amazon marketing assistant. So this company, they need ACLA. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. They need an Amazon marketing assistant, part-time remote role. So if that is you, just click and apply. And if you know anybody that fits into this role, you can just send it to them, right? It doesn't necessarily have to be. You can be helping someone by sending it to them. You understand? And the last one for today is going to be this client support specialist. It's a B2B company, so you can see non-US. So they don't even want people from US. So yes, and it's fully remote. So just read what is required of you and then you click here to apply for this job. So like I said, if you need an ATS-friendly CV template, please reach out to me or just click the link in the description to get yours. Also, if you don't know how to go about applying to these jobs, maybe they are asking questions that you're not sure on how to answer, you can reach out to me via WhatsApp and I will help you figure that out. So that'll be all, guys. But remember, before you rush to apply for those job openings, check your CV. Is it ATS friendly? Like, is it optimized for that job description? Check out the job description that you're trying to apply to and then check your CV. Does it match? You understand? So if it doesn't match, try to work on it or just click on the link in the description to get my ATS-friendly CV template that I've put together for you. Check the link in the description and get yours. Also, if you need help applying to any of those jobs, maybe you're not sure how to go about applying for them. Some of them might actually ask you some questions that you're not sure how to go about answering them. You can just, reach out to me via WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is in the link in the description. So just go there and reach out to me and I'll be there to attend to you. Thank you for watching this video once again, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, do not forget to share this video to someone that you know that might need this video. Share it and help somebody today. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to like, drop a comment, and also subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.